Subcontracting inspection, which is inspection type 0130. It's an integration between the PPQM, and even the costing is involved. As when we are creating a production order, some of the operation can be outsourced. So for that particular operation, we are maintaining the external operation should be allowed. Subcontracting purchase order will be created. We will be issuing the components for which are required for that particular operation to the subcontractor. Once he has done the processing, then we will receive that against the purchase order, and the lot will get triggered, and we will be inspecting received goods. Here we can check when we are issuing the components to the subcontractor, the stock of the subcontractor will be increased, and when we are receiving it, it will be reduced. Let me show you the detail of my material MM02, and material is this. Quality management view is already there. And in the plant, this continue. In the inspection setup, let me activate inspection type 0130, which is receiving inspection from external processing. If I'm giving my finished material or a semi-finished material to a subcontractor, and once I am receiving that material, then I will be inspecting that material. We select the preferred in this. The settings are coming from the configuration. Here the task list is selected, automatic assignment and other details are there. If you want, you can check this post to inspection stop. So let's see how the cycle will work if I activate this 0130 inspection type. For this material, we can save it. Let me show you the detail for my routing. So CA02, enter. Material is this, plant is this, press enter key. And here multiple operations are there. And in the header level, the usage which is maintained is 1 for the production. Status is 4. And in the operation, there are multiple operations maintained. And suppose the second operation I want to outsources. So I will be changing the control key. Instead of PP01, let's see the detail for first PP01. Click on detailed information. So in PP01, the external processing is not allowed, but I want to do the this particular operation to be done outside. So I want to outsource this operation, then I will be using the control key PP02. Click on details. So here the external processing is allowed and the confirmation is given. Okay. So I am selecting PP02 instead of PP01 in the second operation. And if you click on this plus indicates that the external processing for that operation. Press enter key, and here since we have changed the control key to PP02, we need to maintain some extra information for the subcontracting. So external processing, you need to select this subcontracting checkbox. Okay. Because I will be outsourcing it. External processing will be done for that particular operation. Here I will be telling my purchasing organization detail. Let's skip this. And to maintain this information, we need the help of the MM team and the finance team. So you can select the appropriate cost element and the purchase info record and this, and here also I can maintain the supplier as say this, so that I don't have to maintain these information when I will be creating my purchase order. And here you will get this inspection type option also. So click on this. the pop-up list will give you the options which are there. So I'm selecting 0130 inspection for external processing. Press enter key. So let me double click on it, or even from the menu you can select the operation details. So this is the data which we have maintained. Remaining things are coming automatically. Okay, so let's save it. So we have maintained the settings which are required in the routing. Show you the detail of the component also. So if I go to my material, and this is the component which will be used in that operation, and here the purchasing view should be there, and in the MRP2 view we need to maintain the external procurement should be allowed. So in the purchasing view, the purchasing relevant information will be maintained, and in the MRP2 view, here the procurement type should allow you for the external procurement. That indicator need to be selected. Okay, and this is the same component which is used to make my finished material. Okay, let me show you the BOM also. So /n CS02, enter. This is the material 76210, enter. This is the one material which I will be using to issue it. So purchasing view and the external procurement need to be maintained for this component. Okay, so let me go back to the inspection plan. QP02, enter. Material is this, plant is this. The header level for the subcontracting inspection, we need to select the usage as 53, which is GR external processing. So instead of 5, I will be selecting 53 as my usage. Okay, so press enter key, and in the operation, the control key QM01 is maintained, and in the inspection characteristics, the appropriate MICs can be assigned and the controls can be maintained as per the requirement, and the sampling procedure to be used for the calculation of the sample size can be assigned to it. Let me save this. Let's see in the configuration once, because I have assigned the usage as 53. So in the quality inspection, inspection lot creation, maintain inspection type for the inspection type 0130. Either you double click on it or click on this. Here you will find that the usage which is maintained is 53. So that's why create the inspection plan with the usage 53. Let me go back, and its origin is 01 only for the inspection type 0130. Okay, so if you check the origin, because we are receiving it from the outside, so it is 0130 under the origin 01. Let me go back. The purchase info record also. To check the details, we can go to ME13, which is a display mode of the purchase info record, and here you can enter the purchase information record number. Subcontracting is maintained. Let me remove the material, press enter key, and here you can see the details which are maintained for it, like the material group and all, and the other details you can check. These information were populated there automatically based on the data maintained here in this my purchasing organization. And go back Now let's try to create the production order. Okay, so we can go to /n CO01, enter. My material is this, and since the external production order number is maintained, let me enter the number. Press enter key. I can enter the quantity as say 25 here. Press enter key and let me select say current date. Press enter. Okay, I'm getting some warning. Let me release this and we can check the warning which was coming. So we can go to the log and overview. You can scroll down. It's related to the costing, okay, for the subcontracting. Anyway, the cost issue is there. That's okay. Remaining information we can check, like in the assignment tab, the reservation number is coming. My batch number is created as 224. And the master data, like this is the routing. Just now we have seen the details, and this is the bill of material. These are the two components which are assigned to it. Okay, let me go back. If you want to see the operation, these are the operations maintained. And if you want to see the components which are there, so let me go back and we can save it. That's okay, continue. So my order number is this. Change mode for this production order number. If I go to the operation, now the system status for this operation is released, and let's do the confirmation of my first operation. And in the second operation, we have maintained the subcontracting. Let me save this and we can go for operation level confirmation. So /n CO 11 in enter, and here I can enter my order number as this. The operation is first. Press enter key and to be confirmed is 25. Let's save it. Now again, if I go to my production order, okay, in the change mode, the first operation we have performed and now the status has been changed. The detail, the partial confirmation has been done. Let me go back, and in the second operation we have added the control key as PP02. Let's save it. QE32 report first /n QA32 enter. If I execute it, at present there is no lot. Okay. Production order CO02 enter, and this is the number, order number. In the operation, we have already confirmed the first operation, and in the second operation, if I double click on this operation, external processing tab, if you click on this, here you will get the purchase requisition number, and I need to copy this. Let's go back and we will convert this purchase requisition into the purchase order. Okay. And we have already activated inspection type 0130 in this. Let's save it and /n ME21N enter. And even in the document overview, you will get the list. So this is the latest one, and in the item, I can enter my purchase requisition number. Here it is, purchase requisition number. Press enter key, and a warning is coming for the delivery date and all. And in the material data tab, here you can see the components. And let me go back, which are already linked to the operation. Click on the consistency check. Then no message is issued. Item category is L. For this, let me save this. My purchase order is created and this is my purchase order number against the purchase requisition number this. Next, we will do the good issue transaction. Go press enter key and here we will be selecting transfer posting for the purchase order. Movement type is 541 and the details are coming. Here I can click on item, okay, and you can check it once. So it is asking me to enter the batch number. You can search the batch number for this material. Let me select the one which is there. Press enter key. So the batch number is this, okay. Again check it once, continue and then post it. I have done the transfer posting, okay, against the purchase order. Once the external processing has been done, then I will be receiving the codes with the value added or the processing which was required is completed by the vendor. He will again send me back. So I will do the good receipts against the purchase order and this is the number again. The press enter key. This time the movement type is 101 and here the operation outsourcing is coming. You can select item, okay. Before I complete this transaction, let me open the subcontracting stock report MBLP. Press enter key. Then if I click on execute, so under the subcontracting stock, 25 quantity is coming. This is my supplier and other details which we have already maintained, the material and all which was issued. So this is actually the component which was given under the operation number 2 to this supplier. So this 25 quantity is coming. Let's complete this transaction that I have received the goods from the vendor. Okay, so item okay is done. You can click on check once. Okay, so it is just asking me to enter the batch. Let me enter the batch also. Select this and I can specify the batch number. Press enter key. Okay, check it once. That's okay. A warning is there. Post it. Even let's check the QA32 reports. So here you can see the lot has been triggered, which is in the release date. And now if I check the subcontractor stock once again, last time it was showing me 25. Go back and again if I click on execute. So now there is no stock at the supplier's end. But if I select say with a 0 or even this option, if I select and click on execute, then I'm getting the entry. If you double click on it, the full details you can check against the movement type. What was the material document? So my quantity was 25. So it is this one against the material document number this. So if you enter the same material document in display mode, and let me enter this one, press enter key. And now if I check where is the stock, the moment type 541, good issue it is. So this is the lot which is created. Click on inspection lot. Then the quantity is this. It is a 0130 lot. Remaining flow will remain the same, that you will be doing the result recording and the usage decision. So let me enter the values. To the usage decision, here I can enter the code and you can see it is non-stop relevant. We are not, the stock tab is not there. Okay, so now let me enter this and then save it. So refresh it, it is remaining is that again you will be doing the confirmation of the second operation. Okay, so slash O CO11 and enter, and my order number is this, and the operation this time is 20. Press enter key and then click on save. Now if I go to my production order CO02, enter, press enter key, my second operation will be confirmed. Here external operation delivered. Okay, let me go back and then you will be confirming the third operation. Let's do that also. So I can go to slash in CO 11N, enter, and the order number is this. Operation is 30. Press enter key and you can save it. So goods movements has been done and field quantity is 0. We can check the stock for this material CO02. Okay, let's enter key, and if we check the dates and quantity here, order is 25, delivered is 25, committed is 25. Okay, so let's save it, and if we check the stock report, MMBA, enter, material was 76210 and the plant was this. Click on execute. So this was the batch number 224 which was created, and this is the quantity. If you want, you can check the batch number in the production order. So in this it is 2224. So now that stock is in unrestricted.